Well, hello again. Alright, so, yeah, long ago I was on a day trip. Yeah, and let's try out this blizzard before it melts. Yeah, let's see. It is well, typical vanilla ice cream with sugar cookie dough bits inside it. So, yeah, I actually tried out this blizzard long ago when I wanted to take a picture of the world's largest aircraft carrier. Yeah. It was on the same day I took that pic. And of course, it's melting really badly. But yeah, this is the new Dairy Queen Sugar Cookie Dough Blizzard, and of course, despite it being filmed before the Wendy's fired up chicken sandwich, it's actually after it because, well, it's a late upload. So yeah, it is pretty good, but I wouldn't say it's nearly as good as the chocolate chip cookie dough blizzard. I don't know. Chocolate chips just seems better. But I still like it though. It is a good blizzard, but unfortunately there's nothing too special about it compared to several other blizzards that I tried out in the past. So for that reason alone, I would like to give it, a 7 out of 10. Yeah, it's still pretty good, but it could have been a lot better. It could have had rainbow bits in it. It's a good concept, but in the end, it just doesn't work as well as the Reese's Cookie Dough Blizzard, in my opinion, and even the chocolate chip Cookie Dough Blizzard, which is actually one of my favorite blizzards. But it's still pretty good, and would highly recommend you to get it if it's back on the menu, since it is a limited time item. So yeah, highly recommend you to get it if you can get it, and if it returns. So yeah, that's the Sugar Cookie Dough Blizzard. That's that. Batman's arch nemesis is the Joker, but my arch nemesis is the YouTube algorithm. Smaller channels are being attacked and put at risk because of the viewer-based algorithm that YouTube has. And yes, the Racer Simmer Productions YouTube channel will be needing every ounce of support from you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see when new Racer Simmer Productions videos are being posted. And together, we can help defeat the algorithm and drive it away from the Racer Simmer Productions YouTube channel. And yes, every subscriber count matters, because it means you are really awesome and you support me through the difficult time on being on YouTube. Yeah, it means you really support me during these difficult times. Anyways, I'll catch you guys next time.